How to unarchive a story on Instagram. Open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Tap the three-line menu at the top. Now select archive. If you don't see stories archive, tap the drop-down menu at the top and choose stories archive. Browse through your archived stories and tap the one you want to bring back. Tap share at the bottom to post it again. If you would like to remove a story from the archive, open the story, tap the three dots menu and select delete. That's it. Now you know how to unarchive and manage your Instagram stories.